Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is chicken enchiladas. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. We're going to heat our 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat to make our enchilada sauce. Once this is heated, add your 2 tablespoons of flour and cook for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. Then we're going to add in our 1/4 cup of chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, and we're going to cook that for 1 more minute. Now we're going to pour in our 2 cups of chicken stock. And we're going to stir it until it's all combined with no lumps. We're going to continue cooking this until it reaches a simmer, then reduce the heat to medium-low and let the sauce continue cooking at a light bubble. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce is slightly thickened. Now we're going to start on our enchilada filling. Another 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add in our small onion, diced, and we're going to cook that for about 3 minutes. And then add in our chopped up chicken breasts. I use about 3 good-sized chicken breasts. Add in some salt and pepper. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Continue cooking until the chicken is cooked through. Then I add in 1 can of green chilies. And a can of rinsed black beans. And cook that until they're heated through. Now we're going to assemble our enchiladas. Add between 2 to 3 tablespoons of our enchilada sauce. To a flour tortilla, you can use whole wheat. Regular, you can use a corn tortilla. Then a good helping of our chicken mixture in the middle. and then add some cheese. I like to use a Tex-Mex cheese, but any cheese will work. Fold your tortilla and place in a greased 9x13 pan. And then we're going to add any extra sauce that we have on top. And then we'll put some extra cheese on the top. And we'll bake it in our oven at 350 for 20 minutes. You can garnish this with some cilantro or parsley and serve with any toppings you wish. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.